From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Brian Mishkin here for the Penn State Campus Weather Service, bringing you your Thursday afternoon CNET forecast. Now, it's been an absolutely beautiful past couple of days across Pennsylvania, certainly feeling like fall, and the same goes for today. As you look outside the Hub Robinson Center, beautiful blue skies, some clouds off towards the distance with the temperature right now currently at 60 degrees. Closer look at your current conditions, 44 degrees as your dew point, so going to be quite comfortable as you step outside for any outdoor activities today. Northeast wind coming in at 8 miles per hour, so a bit breezy as you step outside today. Now, as we look at temperatures across central Pennsylvania, mid to even upper 50s as you head west, but off to the east, look at Williamsport, Selinsgrove, and Harrisburg. That's where you can see temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. And as we expand outwards, similar trend across the state of Pennsylvania, near 70 degrees in Philadelphia. And as we head off towards the lake shores of Erie, that's where we could see more of the mid 50s, especially as we head towards Bradford. Now, satellite radar shows a northerly influence in the wind. It's leading to some lake effect clouds off towards the west. That's where temperatures are at their lowest because of the cloud cover. We had some clouds here earlier in State College, but those have since lifted, allowing temperatures to get up into the 60s and clear skies as you head east near Allentown and Philadelphia, where we are also seeing some of those warmer temperatures. Now, over the past 36 hours, the main weather story of the nation has been Hurricane Ian, making landfall as a strong Category 4 hurricane just north of Fort Myers, Florida. Some of the worst storm surge and damage coming just south of the I wall, where you saw that onshore push of wind and water. So some devastating images coming out of that area of the country this morning, especially throughout the day as we survey the damage of Hurricane Ian. Our thoughts and prayers go out to those affected by this strong storm. Now, over the overnight hours, this storm pushed across the state of Florida and has dumped a pretty hefty amount of rain, especially in areas like St. Augustine, Florida, and has since reemerged in the Atlantic Ocean, where the National Hurricane Center expects this thing to re-strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane. It's going to make a north and northwesterly turn and impact potentially the coastline of South Carolina in the next 24 to 36 hours. So if you live in South Carolina, this storm is not over yet, so you're going to want to certainly pay attention to local news and any emergency management officials for the latest on what could be Hurricane Ian. Hurricane warnings issued along the South Carolina coast, including Charleston, and tropical storm warnings there in blue and watches in yellow. Now, if you are along the coastline, you are going to be dealing with mainly storm surge upwards of 4 to maybe 7 feet, as stated by the National Hurricane Center. But otherwise, if you're not in a low-lying area, you are definitely still not going to want to take your eye off this storm. Rainfall anywhere from 3 to 5 inches in the yellow, and in areas shaded in orange and red, that's where you could see some locally heavier rainfall amounts. So again, not going to want to take your eye off of Hurricane Ian. You can see for the Friday afternoon time frame, that's where we could see a potential landfall, a second landfall, I should say, of Ian into the southeast coast of the United States. And as we head into the overnight hours and into the morning of Saturday, that's where this rain will start to creep in on Pennsylvania for our game day against Northwestern. You can see as we head into the 4 o'clock time frame, that's where scattered showers are prevalent throughout the state of Pennsylvania, even into the afternoon hours of Sunday. Still dealing with those lingering showers. However, the biggest band of precipitation off the coast as we head into the Sunday time frame. And as we head into Monday, conditions will be drying out and clearing out, especially areas western Pennsylvania, maybe a few lingering showers off to the east. Now, as I mentioned, our football forecast against Northwestern could be starting out cloudy with those clouds out ahead of the remnants of Ian. As we head into kickoff time, that's when showers start to develop and last throughout the game time here. Scattered showers prevalent still as we head into the fourth quarter. Temperatures nearing 60 at the time of kickoff, but probably won't stay in the 60s for long if it even makes it there. Now for tonight, 39 degrees as your low temperature is going to be quite chilly across the Commonwealth, with calm winds really aiding in those temperatures being able to be pretty low for this time of the year. As we head into tomorrow, some sunshine early, but clouds will be on the increase thanks to the remnants of Ian approaching the Commonwealth. 62 degrees as your temperature. And as we look at the 7-day forecast, you can see remnants of Ian impacting us for Saturday and Sunday. But look, the starts of the next work week, Monday to Thursday, looks like a beautiful stretch of weather. Sunshine returns and temperatures into the 60s. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mishkin. Have a great evening.